Hey guys, welcome back to Rockin' the Ed. Today is another unboxing. This one is really pretty good. So I mean, I'm excited for this one. This is I think Japanese version, something like that. I'm not sure if Sudoku or Superfly had done this review, but let's go check it out. So, box right here. Check it out here, and it's right here. It's away. Is an Air Jordan 1 OG CO.JP. So I think so, size 11 and a half. So this is pretty good. So I mean, I'm excited for these ones. So it's a Nike app right here. There you go. Let's open it together. And oh wow, look at this. Nice colors. I do like it. There's a regular paper. It's 2001 to 2020. So it's kind of nice here. Let's go check this out. Look at this. Wow, very nice. Yeah, and it has the 2001 to 2020. It's like 20 years, huh? This is actually a really good shoe. And let's go check it out both. Of course, you got the sticker right here, the box. JP tray, whatever that is. But let's because I don't keep the boxes. I keep them back there in my collection. So here are both of them. It's pretty nice. Probably online, so it's pretty good. I mean, it's dead stock, really dead stock. So love it. The leather's kind of weird here, kind of okay leather, but this is really good. It looks like these greens right here, almost the same thing. This material right here, it's like a plastic one right there. But actually, it's pretty good. I like these. This is gonna be one of my go-to nice jeans or black pants. It's really good. Definitely gonna put it somewhere here. So really nice shoe, guys. I really like it. Don't know if Sudoku or Superfly. They probably know a little bit more about these shoes. I think they're it's supposed to be. Let me see here. It's a Jordan 1 High OG CO.JP. I think it's a Japan version or something. I'm not sure, but if you're out there, see local and Superfly, let me know because I mean I like that. When I was looking online, I was like, man, I have to have these ones. So really good. So hi guys, it was a short review. I mean, you know how I am. I get them and I abuse them. So I abuse all my sneakers. So. Stay tuned. I might wear these heading to one of the races, so check it out. Alright guys, thank you very much. I hope you enjoy all my other videos. I got the unboxing of the cover, the phone cover, and then I put a plastic cover on the phone too. So I got the case and the screen saver. So hopefully you like those two videos. And then my other unboxing, the other these one right here. So, and now we got CO.JP sneaker. Very clean, very nice. I like these, so definitely gonna wear this a lot. So, all right, guys, thank you very much. I hope you had a nice weekend and enjoy this week, Monday. Oh, for you guys up there in the Philippines, probably Monday night, so or Tuesday morning. All right, guys, thank you very much. And remember, we have 2 interviews coming up in a couple weeks, so stay tuned for that. Hit the notification so you will know when video and some stuff going on there. And a lot of shorts, that's for sure, a lot of shorts. All right, thank you very much, and have a great weekend. All right.